welcome to Cooking for Dogs. Easter is all about chocolate, but that's really bad for our pup. So let's take a look at some dog-friendly options for your pup this Easter. Today we're going to be making Easter carrot pupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Let's take a look at the tools and ingredients we'll be using today. Whole wheat flour, peanut butter, vegetable oil, eggs, baking soda, honey, and grated carrot. We have spreadable cream cheese and cinnamon. We have a large bowl, an ice cream scoop, a wooden spoon, a scraper, and our cupcake molds. So let's get started. Firstly, add your flour and baking soda to the large bowl. Add remaining ingredients, but just hold the cream cheese and cinnamon till last. Add the grated carrot and mix thoroughly until combined. Lastly, add the cream cheese and a dash of cinnamon. Stir to combine. Scoop into the cupcake tray. Bake in a medium hot oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Test by inserting a toothpick, it should come out clean. Make sure they're completely cool before frosting. Now for the cream cheese frosting, we have some low-fat cream cheese, we have yogurt, honey, carrot decoration crosses, sliced carrots to show you how we did the shapes, yellow food colouring, and a large bowl. We have an electric mixer, a spoon, scissors, and a plastic piping bag. Place corn flour and remaining ingredients into the large bowl. Using the mixer, blend until smooth and creamy. Spoon into the piping bag. Press mixture right down to the bottom corner and snip off with the scissors. Squeeze and pipe the frosting using a circular motion. Spread the frosting onto the top of each cupcake. Using slices of carrot, cut out a cross shape and pop on the top of each cupcake. Pipe the circle shape with some dots of frosting. We hope you enjoyed our Easter cupcake tutorial today. If you did, please subscribe to our channel so you can be kept up to date with all our new weekly recipes. Like us on Facebook and have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching.